Today we're hosting the first ever Pittsburgh Advanced Manufacturing Expo. So events like this are really great because there are large conferences happening all over the United States with a lot of great resources, many of which are here today. What's great about this is that we can support our local members without having to go far and find really great solutions. Not only solutions that they would see at these big trade shows, but solutions of local companies here that can help them with a quick phone call or a stop in.
That's where I think a lot of these regional shows play a big role. They don't have to travel far and hop in the car, take a day or half a day, come meet with resources. People change, you get new people in different roles. It's a great opportunity just to continue to renew those relationships and understand the wealth of resources that are at their disposal.
NEFF does this across all of our different geographies, and we try to plant specific events in the local areas in which we serve. And we find that people just need educated on what technology is available and what's out there for them.
I think events like this help a regional side of things really engage customers and vendors to make those relationships. The one key takeaway from today's activity or presentation is really about problem solving and getting your team engaged in the problem solving process. Everyone has to be engaged because if you don't, you're not going to get their buy-in to the activity.
I think manufacturing's hungering to really have hands-on with some of the new technology and see how it can help them in manufacturing. I think there's a mentorship that the manufacturers offer each other.
Once you get to talking to some of the resources out there, all these people out there are solving problems for manufacturers every day. So they're going to help you. You come with one little problem, they might help you solve that big problem because they can seed ideas for you and with you about what you're doing in your setting because they're seeing it at a macro level all the time. They work with a lot of different manufacturers, so I think it's very helpful.